afternoon all. So based on yesterday class, there was some correction to the final answer for the open form. On Monday, the answer for XT, there was some the final answer is incorrect. Okay, I missed out for the EJ omega t, this part. So let's just write starting from this point, XT. XT exponential EK EJK omega E. Okay, so what you did was you expand this AK value. Okay, and you know that this AK value is actually all this value on the left side here. Okay, so this is where you have the AK value here. Okay, you are referring to this part only. Okay, so for AK, so how about for this EJK omega t? So the answer that I shown in class on Monday, it was missing this part, this part. Okay, so after class, some student asked, what about the EJ omega t? Is it that we omitted? So after looking back at my answer, I actually miss the EJ omega t part. So when you answer, the final answer is that you need to have start first with the A0, okay, plus you know that you have, after that you have A1, A1 EJK omega t plus A minus 1, A minus 1 E minus JK omega t plus E3 E minus J3K omega t plus, so basically this K value is 1. Okay, so I write directly omega not only, E minus J omega t, this one is 3 omega t, 3 omega t plus E minus 3 omega t, okay, plus A5 E minus 5 J omega t plus A minus 5 E 5 J omega t. Okay, so this is not negative, this is positive. Okay, so 3 omega t, 5 J omega t. Okay, so then only you substitute the value for A1. So A1 is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus what is A1? So A1 here, A1. So we know that A1 is, actually you can write A1 because it is in terms of this the magnitude and phase value. So you can write it as 0.318 E minus J pi over 2 lah, which is A minus J minus 90 degree, right? So you can write it directly at the side here if you want. So you have 0.318 E J pi over 2. This is 0. This is 0.106 E minus J pi over 2. This one is 0.106 E J pi over 2, 0. Then you have 0.064 E minus J pi over 2. This is 0.064 E J pi over 2. Okay, so what you have here is the value for AK. So this value of AK, okay, you are going to substitute into this value, A0, A1, A minus 1, A3, okay, A minus 3, A5, and A minus 5. Okay, so let's do that. So A1 is 0.318 E minus J pi over 2, and don't forget you have EJ omega t, right? So E J omega t okay, plus 0.318 e j pi over 2 e minus j omega t, okay, plus 0.1016 e minus j pi over 2 dot e minus 3j omega t plus 0.106 e j pi over 2 dot e 3 minus 3j omega t. Okay, so this one is positive. And lastly is for a5. a5 is 0.064 e minus j pi over 2 e 5 j omega t plus 0.0604 e j pi over 2 dot e minus 5j omega t. Okay, and you know that you can write this as what? Okay, e exponential a dot ep is equal to e a plus b, right? So this one, right? So we fish this one. So if you expand it, you have 1 over 2 plus, okay, 0.318 e, okay, then you have j, okay, you have 3 omega t minus pi over 2. So you do for the rest of it, okay? So do that on your own, until this one lah, until there's answer. Okay, so this one will be for the open form value, so x d. Alright, that's all.